Pilen Forum has welcomed the government's decision of setting up garbage treatment plants based on German technology in North Goa. But at the same time, they demanded that experts from Germany should be called to survey the land instead of wasting money by going to Germany on tour.
Come here is because the government seems to be bulldozing its way in doing things without getting the people's opinion. They have mentioned on the paper only, then they will come to know that something is on Saligaon is happening on the plateau of Saligaon. They have started saying we are going to acquire land, but people have not been informed anything about this. Especially our Panch members, our Sarpanch. He seems to be having a committee of garbage management, but not a single member of the garbage management committee has been informed that this is going to come up in Saligaon, which is really sad. It is the people who have got to be taken into confidence first and then gone ahead with any other thing they want to do. Instead of sending 20 people to Germany, why can't they invite those people from Germany to come here, let them take a look at this place where they are going to set up the plant, see whether it is feasible or not, and then these people who are coming from Germany can bring slides, whatever, and explain to the people at the village level
that we are neither supporting the plant nor are we opposing the plant. We want to know, आमकां कळूंक जाय की बाबा हे सरकार कसल्या तरेचो प्लांट हाडूंक सोदता आनी कसल्या तरेची टेक्नॉलॉजी हाडूंक सोदता. आनी म्हणून आमी 19 ऑगस्ट 2013 चीफ सेक्रेटरीक हें पत्र बरयलां. हातून आमी म्हणलां की लोकल जे लोक विलेजीस सालिगांव पिलेर हांकां कळूंक जाय, कित्याक दीस वील हॅव रेपरकशन्स. फाल्यां जर तो ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट जालो, ते ट्रक बी घेता ते पिलेन आनी सालिगांवच्याच रस्त्यांचे वयल्यान येतले. आयची परिस्थिती आसा की पिलेन स्प्रिंग्स आसा, सालिगांव स्प्रिंग आसा सालमोना, ह्यो स्प्रिंग सगळ्यो काबार जाल्ल्यो आसा, बांयो काबार जाल्ल्यो आसा. बट लेट इट बी क्लियर, आय एम नॉट ओपोजींग द प्लांट ऑर सपोर्टींग इट. हांव फक्त म्हणटा की गव्हर्मेंट जर इतली बरी टेक्नॉलॉजी हाडूंक सोदता जाल्यार लोकां पर्यंत हें कित्याक दाखयना की बाबा ही कसली टेक्नॉलॉजी.
The government is trying to put up this plant. Our problem is that we know that promises have not been kept in the past. We have not been told about what this plant is about. We don't know how it's going to work. And one of our biggest questions is, if the 25-year-old or the 20-year-old dump has not been sorted out or cleared, how are they going to carry on with a plant? What are they going to do with this?
Employees from GKB company from Karaswada Industrial